Hello everyone. Yeah, we are here to check one of our machine. It's a newly overhauled engine. Okay. So at first we do the inspection of the engine side and the other electrical wiring. So that inspection we should have to do always, all time. Okay, so right now we are going to start. You will see. At first start, I don't have my laptop right now, so if I hear something different, so that time I will attach my diagnostic tools. Well, as we can hear, engine sound, it's very good. Then you should have to inspect any leaking while the engine is running. Okay. So this side, turbo side, and on the fuel pump side. Have any leak or no leak at all. So the switch can little bit preheating the engine. Then after that we're going to accelerate slowly because the engine is newly overhauled, so we should have to be careful. That must be the oil will completely rotate, spreading inside of the engine. When you start the engine or the machine, you should let the engine run in idle in a few minutes. Okay, let the engine warm. Ayun yung mekanika. Ayan. So ito sila gumawa.